Now, this is the scary thing about these cookies, and I'm gonna say this right at the beginning of the video because I wanna give you fair warning. Every time you take a bite of these, you're gonna wanna take another bite, and another bite, and another bite, and another bite, until all these cookies are gone, because these are the best protein-filled peanut butter chocolate chip cookies, low in sugar, that you're ever gonna taste. And I guarantee you, these are gonna be gone before you even know it. So get excited, because I'm gonna show you exactly how to make these on this episode of Lean Living, because I need another batch. So get excited. Hello Squaddies, welcome back to a brand new episode of Lean Living. Today we are cooking cookies the lean way, and when I say the lean way, we're gonna pack them full of protein. We're gonna make them super tasty. Honestly, this recipe could not be any easier, but before we dive into it, please subscribe to this channel, give me a big thumbs up, and comment on this video if you love this recipe. And with that in mind, do not forget to tag me when you make these lean protein-packed cookies. They are so good. I wanna see you enjoying them, so tag me on Instagram at LEANSQUAD. Otherwise, first things first, get a bowl. And what you're gonna do with that bowl is you are gonna get some bananas. And we're gonna mash up about 2.5 bananas. Mash, mash, mash. We're gonna put them in the bowl. Next up, you're gonna get 2 cups of quick oats. And when I say quick, well, you wanna make sure you get the quick oats because this is a quick recipe. We want it to be bing, bang, boom in only 15 minutes. So we're gonna put 2 cups of quick oats into our nice big mixing bowl. Nut butter. I'm gonna use peanut butter. As you can see right here, this is a creamy peanut butter. It is a great source of protein. It is also filled with healthy fats. And then it is time to pack these with even more protein. I'm going to use a chocolate whey here, and I'm only gonna do about half a scoop of whey because, well, we don't wanna dry these cookies out too much, but you can add a little more if you wanna pack up that protein. But remember, the nut butter has a good source of protein already in these cookies. So I use chocolate whey, you can use vanilla whey. Likewise, if you wanna keep them vegan, you are going to use a vegan protein. It's as simple as that, which is just half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, just a little bit. Get a little more flavorful. We want these cookies as flavorful as possible because when you are enjoying what you eat, you will want to eat healthy way more often. Now, these next few ingredients are optional, up to you, but I'm using sugarless chocolate chips. If you haven't tried these are linked in my Amazon shop. They are incredible, and let's be honest, we all have a sweet tooth. These cookies are a great way to satisfy that sweet tooth without the guilt. So I'm just sprinkling in some of those, about a 1/4 cup, but hey, I'm not judging you. Maybe do a few extra. I don't know. You can do whatever you want. It's your lean recipe. And last but not lean, no, it is lean. It is very lean because this is sugar-free maple syrup. We're just gonna do about a teaspoon to a tablespoon. Again, up to you, but just a little bit there. That gives it a little bit more sweetness. It'll also make sure we don't dry out these cookies, but that is entirely optional. You can also use real maple syrup, but I'm trying to keep these low in sugar. And then we're gonna mix all the ingredients together. We're gonna scoop out about 12 to 16 cookies on our baking tray, oven at 350 degrees, and we are gonna let them sit for about 15 minutes in that oven, pull them out, enjoy our cookies, love the leanness, and you will be saying, "Thank you, Phil." So there you have it, Squaddies. That is another episode of Lean Living. Like I said in the beginning of this video, please tag me if you make these lean, protein-packed, chocolate chip, peanut butter filled cookies. I would love to repost on my Instagram at LEANSQUAD. So make sure you do that because every time you share the leanness, you're gonna inspire someone else you know to do the same. Likewise, if you want healthy recipes like this, tailored to you to help you achieve your weight loss and fat loss goals, as well as a workout plan designed for you by me, then sign up for your own custom 90-day lean plan today, and let's get healthier, fitter, and leaner, and more confident together, because once you commit, I promise you, you will be well on your way to achieving all of your goals. Now, with that said, it is time for me to get back to eating my cookies, making some more leanness, because I'm gonna see you right back here next week. So hit that subscribe button one more time and let's get lean.